Hello guys, I'm going to unbox this. Surprise, it's mini brands. Let's open it guys. Let's go. Put the line over here. Guys, look. Going to open this. Sorry, I have cheese on it. Okay, open it. Let's unbox it. Look at this, guys. Yeah, open this. This retro mini brands. Say no sound. Sorry guys, my cousin just have a sound. Okay, I'm going to use this. I'm going to unbox this. Okay, I don't need help guys because I can do it by myself. I can do it, guys. Yeah, what is this, guys? Guys, I'm going to remove this one. Like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Now you can because I'm gonna show you guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna use this now. Yay! It's gonna be thrown in the trash. I'm gonna give it to my mom. Let's open this. Yay! Guys, let's go. Look, let's smash this. What? I'm talking. Be quiet. I'm vlogging. Okay. Sorry, my cousin just talked. Yay! Look at the surprise. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 surprise collections here. The first box to open. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 surprises. I thought it was 4. Okay, I got this one. Okay.
A film.
Look, guys, a film. Okay, next surprise unboxed. Guys, look at the Pringles. Pringles, look. Next surprise will be this. Each one has a surprise, guys. Another potato chips, Pringles. Okay, next surprise. Let's go add the next surprise. What should I get? Oh, wow. I got these.
Pineapple.
A pineapple. Look. This mini brands retro is you can collect all of the items that you will be getting as a food or a drink or a juice or sodas. You can have your choice. If there's no sodas, then I will be thought it was the soda is there. Okay, got a... Ooh, wow, look.
Yeah, something for the car.
Something for the car, guys. Okay, we're going to check all of the collections so I know how many will be there. How many are there? Look, guys, that's all of the collections to collect. Okay, look, guys, look. And there's another collection, guys, in the back. Look, guys, there is another collection in the back. Okay, thank you, guys. See you next time, guys. See you in my next vlog. Okay, bye.